Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with news in politics. Things are not well in the Savlamar division in Westmoreland, currently held by the People's National Party. A defiant Member of Parliament for Westmoreland Central, Dwayne Vaz, moved to select a new chairman for the division despite objections by the party's leadership. This is the latest in the ongoing standoff between the MP and the sitting councillor Julian Chang, who's the current chairman. But as Kimberly Petty explains, the party says it will not acknowledge any new appointment at this time.
I am standing outside the division here in Savannah Lamar, where a new chairman for the division was just selected. However, we would have spoken to Dr. Dayton Campbell, who said he gave clear directives to the MP, Dwayne Vaz, to postpone the meeting. All in all, the meeting went along. Now, we also spoke to one resident who told us that she is disappointed with the happenings here in the division.
I really feel so breakdown to see that she is being deleted from this party. The person who really cared, the person who walk and stand hand to hand, feet to feet with us in Westmoreland. From Newmarket over Ricketts Street, Garland Street, uptown, downtown, she really stands for us as adults.
And while we were at the meeting venue, we were confronted by a few supporters who tried to prevent our reporter from covering the story.
Reporting here from the constituency office in Savannah Lamar, I am Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.